Welcome to PyCode.
Today, I made the voice translator. It can translate any word or sentence in any language. Let me show you how it works.
सर्वांना सुप्रभात. कार्य न करें, बस अपने जीवन का निरीक्षण करें और आनंद लें.
Here I used simple Python script with Translate Python library, which helps to translate words or sentence in any language, and GTTS library to convert translated text into voice output. I used HTML and CSS as front-end and Django as back-end. You can use my project by using link in description, and to access my source code you can visit my GitHub account link in description.
अपने जीवन का कप्तान बने.
Please subscribe my channel and suggest me ideas for our next project in comment box.